Hello students. Okay, we have learned about mole concept in the last video. Today we are going to do the numericals of mole concept. Okay, so before doing the numericals, let us know some formulas. Okay, so how we will calculate the number of moles? Number of moles is equal to what? Given mass upon the molar mass. Okay, what is this given mass? The mass which has been provided. Okay, and molar mass is what? 1 mole of the substance, how much it weighs? It is the what? The molar mass. Okay, so it can also be calculated by given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Okay, so given number of particles can be written as capital N, and Avogadro I said to you and not. Okay, so when we are writing in the symbol form, N is for mole, small m is for what? Given mass, big M is for molar mass. Okay, here capital N is for given number of particles and N naught is for Avogadro number. Okay, basically with these formulas you will be able to do the numericals of what? Mole concept. Let us come on to the examples, some of the examples. Okay, so one question I have taken, what will be the mass of 1.5 moles of glucose? So glucose, you formula you don't know, for your help formula is also given, C6H12O6. Okay, so here whenever you see a numerical like this or any numerical, first see what are the particulars given in the questions. And what you have to do that? You have to jot down that first. What is given in this? Moles are given, isn't it? So you can write N is equal to 1.5 moles first. Okay? You can write what? Here glucose formula is given, isn't it? Here in the question it is saying that you have to calculate the given mass. So given mass, small m you will write and mark a question mark over there. Okay? And then molar mass. Here you will calculate how. I have taught you in the last video. 12, okay, into 6, because 6 atoms of carbon are there, plus hydrogen mass is how much? Only 1, into how much? 12, plus you can see 16, and here 6 atoms are present, so 16 into 6. When you will take out the molar mass, okay, how much you will get? You will get how much? 180, okay, you'll get how much? 180 gram per what? Mole. एक मोल का कितना होगा? 180 grams. Okay, now here formula has been provided to you. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Taking that formula, putting the values 1.5 mole, isn't it? You can write over here mole. Okay, given mass upon what? The molar mass. We have calculated it earlier only. It is coming 180 gram per mole. Naturally, we have to take out what? This given mass. So 1.5 into 180, mole will be cancelled, only grams will be left. Then 1.5 into 180 grams, how much you will get? 270 grams. Okay, so this is how you will be doing the numericals. Okay, some more examples we are seeing right now. Now coming to the next type of numerical. Okay, you have to calculate the number of molecules in 56 grams of methane molecule. Methane formula is given, CH4 for you all. Okay, so what did I say to you? The first step, what are the particulars given in the question and what you have to take out? Just find out that first. Okay, so it has been given, calculate the number of molecules. So basically you have to calculate what? N. Okay, so what you have to calculate? N. Write it, write the particulars first, so that the picture becomes clear of the question in your brain. Okay, so it is given how many molecules are present in 56 grams. Okay, what is this 56 grams? It is the given mass, isn't it? So given mass is written as what? Small m. So 56 grams. Okay, now methane it is given. Okay, atomic mass is not given. Okay, atomic mass of what? Carbon is what? It has been given in the last question also. Okay, U, and hydrogen is 1. Take out the molar mass. How will you take out the molar mass? Here of that it will be what? C only 1. So 12 plus How many it will be? This 1 into 4. How much it is coming? 12 plus 4. It is coming how much? 16. Okay. So here in this you can see the molar mass which you have got is what? 16 grams. Okay. Now after calculating this, just put it in the formula. How will you put it in the formula? Formula is given to you. Okay. Or if you want to do directly also you can do. Number of moles is equal to what? Molar, this given mass upon molar mass. Okay. You can go step by step also. Okay. So if I am saying N is equal to how much? M upon means given mass upon molar mass. So it becomes what? 56 upon 16. If you want, you can go in this manner also, or you can just do it directly by this. M upon, it means given mass upon molar mass is equal to what? The number of the molecules upon Avogadro number. So what it will be, just take out, and if you will be taking out the value, just 56 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon, it will come what? 16, and the answer will be how much when you will solve it. Okay, यहाँ पर एक और स्टेप कर सकते हो आप लोग. 56 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon what you can do 16 is equal to what? N. Okay, and when you will be solving this, you will get how much? The value 21.077 into 10 to the power 23, or you can also write 2.1077 into 10 to the power 24. Okay, and what are these? 24 you will leave like this. You will not write. What are these actually? You have to write it, otherwise the marks will be deducted. So you will write what? Molecules. Okay. So now let us increase the difficulty level of the numerical. Okay. See, next numerical I have taken. How many molecules will be there in 1 liter of water under normal condition? When you look at this numerical, it seems to be difficult, because what you can see in the numerical is only you have to calculate the number of molecules and 1 liter, isn't it? And that too, here volume is given. It is not given in grams. So now what you will do in that case? But here it is given what? In this, under normal conditions, it means what? At STP, okay? So here, it is given of water, isn't it? So density, formula of density is what? Mass upon volume, okay? Volume we can see because 1 liter is given, isn't it? So density of water under normal condition is what? It is taken as 1 kg per liter. Okay. So here, when we are talking about volume, what we will write? 1 liter given, and given mass we can take out. कैसे निकालते हैं? Liter will be cancelled, and naturally what will be left? 1 kg. And when we are saying 1 kg, convert it into grams. How much it becomes? 1000 grams. Now we will continue the numerical. Okay. So number of moles is equal to what? Given mass upon molar mass, and that is equal to what? Number of particles upon the Avogadro number. Take out first the number of moles. This has been done directly. You can do it in the stepwise also. Number of moles, how can you take out? Okay, it is what? Given mass upon the molar mass. Given mass is how much? 1 liter. We have calculated it. It is 1000 grams. Okay. Molar mass of water is what? H2O it is, isn't it? So what it will be? 1 into 2 plus 16. That is 18. Isn't it? So it comes 18 grams. So when you divide it, you will get the value of number of moles 55.5. Okay. One thing you can do. Either you do it in this manner, 55.55 into what? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, or you can do it directly in this manner, 1000 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon 18. You will get the number of molecules. Okay, so how much you will get? You will get, after solving it, you will get 334.52 into 10 to the power 23. Again I am saying, is this right? You have to write number of what? Water molecules. You have to complete it, otherwise your marks will be deducted. And if you want to change it in more significant figures, you can write what? 3.3452 into 10 to the power 25 water molecules. Okay? So, I've tried to make you understand the numericals of mole concept. Try more number of numericals. Okay? If any problem, ask. So by this, we come to the end of this class. Good day. Take care.